Hello students, our today's topic of discussion is roots. So what are roots and what are its type, that we are going to discuss in this video. So first of all we will see the definition of roots. Students, roots are the part of a plant which is present in the soil, which is present below the ground. The part of a plant present below the ground or present in the soil. Present in the soil. So what are its function? What are the function of roots? So the roots perform various functions. So some of these functions are: roots the plant strongly to the soil. The roots fix the plant strongly to the soil. You must have observed that it is very difficult to pull a plant from a pot or from the ground. Why so? Because in plants roots are present and roots fix the plant strongly to the soil. Next function of the root is root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Students, plants need water for the process of making their own food. Also, they require minerals for producing various nutrients, for example, proteins, vitamins, etc. So what is the function of a root? Root fixes the plant to the soil, and it fixes the plant strongly to the soil, and also it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. From the roots, water and minerals will transfer to the stem of the plant, and then it will transport to the whole part of the plant. It is transferred to the whole part of the plant. Next function of root is it holds the soil together. Next function of the root is that it holds the soil together, so that the soil is not washed away by the water or by the wind. So it fixes the soil on that, or you must have learned in your previous classes that roots help to prevent this erosion is removal of upper layer of soil or upper layer of ground due to the rain, due to the water, due to the air, winds. What is the function of roots? So function of a root is it fixes the plant strongly to the soil, and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It helps to prevent the soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Erosion is removal of upper layer of soil due to the rain, due to the wind, due to the air, etc. Next we are going to discuss about the types of roots. So there are two types of root. Two types of roots are there. First is taproot, and the second one is fibrous root. First one is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. So what is the difference between them? Let's draw a diagram or a figure of the taproot and fibrous root. So first of all I am drawing the diagram of taproot. So you can draw the diagram of taproot in a very simple way. This is the diagram of a taproot. Okay, this is taproot, and now I am drawing the diagram of fibrous root. This is the diagram of a fibrous root.